Good morning, everybody. This is Liquid Kenobi, and today we got another one about Ubisoft. It's titled Ubisoft Stock Plummets 12% Despite Exceeding Sales Targets. So this was yesterday, and this must have just came out like when I was going to bed. So let's take a dive at this. Now, as you know, I have been talking about what's Ubisoft been doing with these characters. They're making these females more male than what they're supposed to be, and it's just darn wrong, dude. I mean, I don't like what they're doing with it. And they said that the gameplay for this was terrible. The last gameplay video they said it was terrible, but I don't mind because I don't care because I ain't gonna bother getting this game now. What really has been concerning is because of Assassin's Creed Shadows, and right now Ubisoft Ubisoft has gotten themselves into deeper trouble, man, and it has been really bad. So let's get a dive in. Let's get a dive into this. Ubisoft stocks plummeted 12% in the past 5 days following the company's most recent earnings. Report that revealed it had exceeded sales targets for its financial quarter of the year. Yeah, and as you can see, let's see. Look at this. You guys can see this right up here. You guys can see it perfectly good. See, Yahoo Finance reports that the Ubisoft stock fell 12.42% in the last 5 days following Ubisoft's first quarter report on July 18th. In fact, the stock is down 14.73% for the year so far. If you go back an entire year, the stock is down 31.53%. If you go back 5 years, it went down close to 75%. Wow, dude. Well, we all know why. We all know what's going on. I mean, they're screwing themselves with all that DEI nonsense, man. They need to learn, man. The big dip seen in the chart above came in the wake of Ubisoft reporting that its net bookings hit 290 million euro or 315.76 million. This exceeded the company's prediction of 275 million or 299 million US dollars. Ubisoft co-founder and Yves Guillemot touted the net bookings, saying, "In a selective market, we delivered a solid start to the year with the net bookings above target, reaffirming that we are on the right track. The quarter notably saw the launch of X Defiant. That is off an encouraging start, and we continue to grow the audience at a steady pace and plan a quarterly roadmap of content that will allow us to firmly establish the game over time." Right now, the X Defiant, it's okay. I mean, I played the game and it's fine. It's just that, I mean, I'm going to have to get back into the game. I would have to get back into it maybe one day. Maybe use that as the multiplayer stream. Maybe that's what I'll probably do. He continued, "We also held Ubisoft Forward, that is always a key event for our team and players, during which we showcased content that is very much aligned with our strategic focus on our two key verticals: open world adventures and GAS native experiences. The gameplay we presented for our two highly anticipated upcoming premium titles, Star Wars Outlaws and Assassin's Creed Shadows, was not only praised by players and critics alike, but also highlighted the cutting-edge capabilities of our game engines. We also presented a strong pipeline of content that will continue feeding our live titles." Give me a break, man. Gimlo added, "As we progress through FY25, all of our efforts are focused on successfully launching our promising new releases and positioning them as long-lasting value drivers for Ubisoft while continuing the transformation of our organization." He concluded, "We are excited about the future and confident in the sustained progress of our turnaround throughout the year." Despite the net bookings exceeding Ubisoft's internal predictions, investors and analysts were expecting even better results from the company. Following the company's fourth quarter earnings report earlier this year, Bloomberg's Daniel Zieljic, I think that's what's pronounced, claimed that analysts were expecting an average estimate of 376 million euro for the quarter. That's about $408, $409 to be exact, million dollars. That means the net bookings and sales were 22% lower than were analysts initially expected. The company noted that it expects net bookings to bring around 500 million euros. Sorry about that guy. Let me see. 500 euro to 545 million for the second quarter. It's probably safe to assume that analysts were expecting higher sales numbers given Star Wars Outlaws releases in August during the company's second quarter. Another factor that might have resulted in such a significant decline in the stock price following the earnings report is that Ubisoft delayed the release of Rainbow Six Mobile and Division Resurgence. The company explained Rainbow Six Mobile and the Division Resurgence are no longer expected in FY25 as the teams are taking the necessary time to ensure that these experiences deliver on expectations with optimized KPIs in the context of a demanding yet very large market. Yeah. I don't know, man. It's despite their stocks going down and everything, they believe that they got a shot at getting Assassin's Creed and Star Wars into the sales good, man. They expect it, but I doubt it, man. Time will tell with this. Time will tell. So, what do you guys think about this article? If you like the video, hit the like button. Share this video. Post a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts about this article. You guys think that? Do you guys think that Star Wars Outlaws and Assassin's Creed Shadows, despite everything that has been happening with them, do you think it's gonna make good sales, or do you not think it won't? You just let me know. And if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button for me. All right, you guys have a lovely day. Bye for now.